Here at the Offroad Adventure Show, we pride ourselves on being multi-talented, like Scott, our graphic designer, who also happens to love canyoning.
We're walking down into the canyon. As excited as I am about this, I keep thinking I've got to walk back up this. Well, there's a tree there. Sorry guys. I say this every year, but I've got to get fitter. I really do.
Well, what better place to start? Hey, Borgy.
All right, guys. Well, this is it. The canyon is right there, and it's time for what you've both been waiting for with bated breath. Wetsuits.
That's what they've been waiting for.
All right, guys. Which way are we going to do it? We're going to the easy way, or we're going to do it the hard way?
Easy way.
Let's do it. Ready? TV way's heaps better. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Lead the way, Scott.
The temperature feels like about -10. What actually is it, Scott?
It's normally about 10 to 12 degrees.
Okay.
Which is why we're wearing wetsuits.
Yeah, but we're used to 43 degrees.
This canyon is called Twister Canyon, and while it's a great one for beginners like us, it's important to go with a guide, someone who knows the way and can make sure that it's safe.
Jamie is missing out.
Oh, yeah. Holy crap!
As I said, he's not graceful.
That's how you do it gracefully.
So right now we got given the option to slide or jump from a really high height. Where do you think Borgy is? Up at the high height.
This looks a lot higher from up here. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Fire out!
Righto, mate, my turn. It's now or never.
I tell you what, guys, this is not far from Sydney at all, and if you haven't tried canyoning, make sure you take an expert with you, but this one is a perfect beginner's one.